You want to see me unbox my new toy? Stick around.
Hear that? That's the sound of money. You wanna know what sound of money is? That's it. Ching, 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 ching. Ching, 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 ching.
Finally wised up and bought myself a power shovel. This is the Snow Joe. I've never owned one of these before, but I've had numerous viewers tell me to get one. So we're going to unbox this thing, put it together, and see what she can do. The instructions. Perfect. Battery. Got a couple boxes here. Let's see what we got. Got a charger. It's pretty heavy. I assume this is the battery. Battery. And then we got the unit itself here. Let's see if this is like a Tesla. When you buy a Tesla, the batteries aren't charged, so you gotta have a car towed away. But fully charged. This is the opposite of a Tesla. Fun fact, you buy a Tesla at the dealership, they gotta tow it home. And then you gotta wait 24 to 48 hours for the battery to fully charge. Oh, I'm ready to do snow right now, buddy. I'm curious to see how this works. Let's test this out. Let me know in the comments what you think. Picking up those ice chunks, making them like bullets. See if we broke it at all. No? No break. I can see the paddle wearing out over time, but you know, if I got a concrete sidewalk, this thing's perfect. I want to thank the viewers that suggested this idea. This is probably one of the neatest things I've ever bought. I like it. I think this is a great tool. Can't wait to try it out.